Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba Kajala Conrad ke sangma habakren halor kajing penbethai bom kakenhun HNLC ya kajaka ubas nyom halang dhar ulo ong ba kom kini kijat kam ka sorkar kam laban pediang kakenhun Pulit kayale ya kabadon kam banwat benia bat kila yo lo dia kisaki sabut Kiba Biang ha kabaidai bat kibadon kti halor kanika kam Menteri Rangba ula pentip ru ba Superintendent of Police ka East Khasi District unsa pentip ya kajing laksai halor kanika kam Bat ong ba ya ki badan keti ki Pulit kilale ya ka badan kam barban pengat iki kat kum ki kendon an.
Details I don't have with me, but earlier they were saying that he was paying, and now they're saying that he's not paying. So it's quite a bit of contradictory thing. But the point here is that that obviously this kind of things will not be tolerated by the government, and I don't want to go too much into details. But the police has made very strong links, and I should say they've come to the conclusion they have information enough to act on this incident, and with full evidence, and so therefore we will be I'm sure the SP will be sharing that with you tomorrow. I'm aware about it, but it's inappropriate for me to share. So action has been taken, police has been very swift, and we have enough to act on the information on the incident that has happened, and the individuals behind that will definitely be picked up.